Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we will start playing with Terraform. So how to write Terraform code. For that, first I will need to launch the environment where I can start. So I'm in the folder. You can create your own workspace, and let me create the folder here. Let's start from very basic hello world. Okay, that will be a good example. So if I go to this folder and if I type code dot to start my VS Code, and you can see my VS Code started. Now in this VS Code, there is no file. I'm in a hello world folder which I created. To create a file, you will click here and you will call the file. Maybe just call first. Let's call it first. Always remember, when you're working with Terraform, the file extension should be .tf. Whenever you write this extension .tf, this means the Terraform will recognize that this is a Terraform file and you want to write some Terraform code in this file. So always make a file with .tf extension if you want to write the Terraform code. uh, and if you want to give some, in the Visual Studio comment, you can just write double comment, and this is the first file for Terraform. We just write and we will start. So in the Terraform code, we always write the code in the block. So we will write like first block, and we will write some kind of expression here, and there will be some kind of identifier which we will identify, like which will identify the block, and then we will write the other block. Multiple blocks we will write, and definitely, it like right now, if I write 5 or 10 kind of this, it looks scary, but don't worry, I will go in detail and I will explain you how can you write that. So let me comment that out. So for commenting out multiple lines, just press the control key and press the so it's gonna be control plus slash these two key to select multiple comments out multiple line. So very first code, we are writing the hello world, so we will write output. This is the beauty of Visual Studio Visual Code. In the Visual Code, I have a Terraform extension. If you want to download the extension, you can go here, you can just type Terraform. It will give you the extension. I already installed it. You will get the option of install and you can install the extension. And the beautiful thing about the extension, Terraform extension, like if I just write output, it is showing me already. Like if you want to, it detected that I'm typing output, and it show me, okay, if you want to output, I have already complete sentence. So without typing, I can simply go to this and it already write this. I'm not going into complexity right now, so I will remove all the extra field. We will definitely go through this, but let's start from very simple. So this is my first block, so maybe called it, let's call it first block. And in the first block, so this is definitely the syntax of the Terraform. The first thing here will be identifier. Output is something which we want to return on the terminal, like you want to create some infrastructure, and after creating you want to output, okay, show me the IP address, so that you will write in the output. You want to just give some kind of description, okay, this is my terminal, or this is my EC2 instance for Jenkins for web server, so we will use the output block. So for output block, this is identifier. It is optional, you can write any kind of identifier what you want. You can write maybe let's suppose hello world. I can write this is optional. This identifier is only used to reference that particular block of code, and in the value you write the actual thing what you want to return on the command line, on the output as an output terminal. So I'm writing this is our hello world code, and I'm saving this file. After saving, all you need to do, just go to the terminal, and let me make it bigger, and let's clear this. You can see, oops, you can see the current path. I'm standing in this hello world directory which I created, and simply just write the command Terraform. This command will not run if you didn't install the Terraform in the first video. So just go to my first video, watch the first video, install the Terraform on your machine, and just type Terraform, and there is a keyword called plan. Once you type this, I will explain this keyword, definitely don't worry. And if I enter, hit, and now right now it's checking and it's found, okay, there is one file. It automatically detected. I didn't define the file name here, remember. It automatically find a file. It says, okay, that file is a TF. So it went inside the file, it read the block, and he say, okay, you have a block, that's my identifier. So it says you have a block hello world, and the value of the block is this is our hello world code. So this much simple Terraform is, I know, like, I'm not going into depth. I just want to clear some basic concept before we jump in creating the virtual machine, the storage account, the serverless resources. Just want to clear some basic concept and before we go into that. So, and it's very simple, like if you want to make some changes, code, and I can just write simply, always type it inside the inverted comma so it's know that it's a string. So I just define something, and if I run the Terraform plan again, it detected, hi, this is the hello world code. So that's it in this video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.